Hi, want to get rid of your dampness inside your body? So here I show you a very simple recipe for that. So dampness is the concept of traditional Chinese medicine. We would relate it to, for example, I have very slow metabolism. I'm overweight. I have some metabolic issues, like high blood pressure, high cholesterol. Also, I probably have some brain memory issues. I have a lot of fibroids. Always had fibroids come back. I have PCOS, irregular period. So these all the big word we call the insulin resistance. This all could be related to this dampness build up inside our body. So here I show you this recipe: Chinese yam, cock seed, lotus seed, and prickly water lily. Just get each maybe 3 to 6 grams and put into a pot, boil them for 20 or 30 minutes and then drink it. So this excess dampness build up inside our body also could cause skin issues like acne, eczema, and also constipation. So many issues could be related to excess dampness build up inside our body.